No veggies at home? Don't worry. This delicious and super easy potato rassa can absolutely make your day. It tastes amazing with both rice and chapati, and trust me, everyone is going to love it. Take a pot and add some oil. Add chopped onions and saute until they turn nice and golden brown. Now add chopped tomatoes and saute well. Keep the lid off and cook until the tomatoes release their water and become nice and tender. And one thing I am keeping in this recipe is ginger garlic paste. You can definitely add it if you like, but today I wanted to keep this recipe super simple, so I am not using it. Now add the ground masala made with roasted dry coconut and onions and cook everything nicely until the masala is well cooked. Add sambar masala. I have already shared my homemade sambar masala in my idli sambar recipe. So you can check that out, or you can simply use your favorite ready-made sambar masala. Once the masala is cooked, add the boiled potatoes and mix gently. Add hot water and cook everything nicely until the masala is well cooked. You can also use raw potatoes. But since I already had a boiled potatoes, I am using those today. Add some peanut good. Now add a fresh coriander. Mix everything well. Keep the lid off and let everything cook until the potato absorbs all those delicious flavors and the gravy becomes nice and thick. Switch off the flame and our simple delicious potato rassa is ready. Serve it hot with rice or chapati. Sometimes with just a few basic ingredients you can make the most comforting meal.